All right, a quick update on Jasmy here. So Jasmy looks extremely well in my opinion. The fact that we're looking at the macro weekly chart and we've been holding up over this 382 here on the Coinbase chart for a very long time, and we're in this very bullish pattern here over 1.7. We can see the move up, the volume came in, the volume went down. That's exactly what we want to see inside this very bullish pattern here. So as long as Jasmy's over 175 here, I think this thing's about to start running here in the next couple of weeks. You can see we are starting to get to the end of this pattern here, depending on where we draw it, of course, but it looks extremely well here. Let me go ahead and see if I can adjust this just a little bit here. So the moment we get to the apex of this pattern here, which is coming up, and as long as we're holding over that, which is kind of squeezing the price down here, I think Jasmy's about to move. And she's probably going to end up spiking up all the way to the 618 here. And just to measure it, we have the 0.5 at 3.1, a 71% move. And then if we spike all the way up to the 618 at 5.5, 5.5 pennies here, that is a 200% move here. Now, as for how high Jasmy's going to go, we're just going to ignore the 6 billion market cap at 12 pennies. I think that is a joke. I don't think that's even going to come into play as a high. But the target I have here, which we're looking at two different charts, the Coinbase chart and the Gate.io chart, is anywhere from 30 to 35 cents. That is my target. I think that's going to get hit definitely on Jasmy. And you can see that's about a 17x on this chart. And then if we go higher than that, we have $1.31 at the 1272 at a $65 billion market cap. And potentially Jasmy is going to do about a 65x here. A little more than that. Let me move this down to that support we're sitting on. About a 70x for Jasmy here. And my target is about a 18 to 19x here to that market cap and that price there. Now, as for the other chart I'm talking about here, if we go down to the Gate.io chart here, you can see on this chart that has more price history, we're in the same pattern, same volume, same everything. But here we're sitting over the 236 at about a penny and a half here. So that tells us the bottom is in, and she's not yet bullish until she gets over 5 here, which Jasmy would be extremely bullish. And then we do have that target you can see here at 30 cents, and then the 50 billion market cap at $1.09 here. So I think in those price ranges is what Jasmy is going to be gunning for once she starts to move here. So what do you guys think about Jasmy here? Do you think that is going to potentially rather be the top? Or let me get back to the chart here. I lost it. Or do you think Jasmy's not going to go anywhere, but maybe a 786 retracement to the $6 billion market cap to 12 pennies? I don't think that's going to happen. I think Jasmy's bigger than people think it's going to be. And if it blows past the 30, 35 cent range, then I would say definitely a dollar's in play at that point. So yeah, we will leave it at that on Jasmy. Good luck, not financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.